Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by getting your LG TV ready for Google services. First, check that your model supports Google Apps or has Android TV mode. Otherwise, you'll need a Chromecast or Android TV box. Next, connect to Wi-Fi via Settings Network, select your SSID and enter the password. Once done, pair your phone as a remote if typing is slow. That speeds sign-in. These initial steps open the path to install the Google App ecosystem and keep things simple. Now you'll install and sign into Google Apps. Launch the LG Content Store or Google Play app on your TV, then search for Google apps like YouTube, Chrome, or Google Play services. When you select an app, choose Install and then Open. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, enter email and password, and enable two-step verification if prompted for security. Once signed in, sync settings and allow permissions so apps can access media and cast from other devices. Finish by verifying functionality and knowing a key fix. Test casting from your phone to the TV, open a YouTube video and tap cast. If it connects, your setup is complete. If apps fail to sign in or crash, restart the TV, check network strength, and reauthorize your Google account. Often this resolves permission issues. If features are missing, consider using a Chromecast or updating the TV firmware. If problems persist, factory reset as a last resort, only after backing up settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.